Hey guys, today we will learn about a very basic concept, use of dollars in formulas. It is also known as absolute references or relative references. So we have some salesmen and their Q1 sales and they are eligible for 4% of commission, and that is what we are going to calculate here. How much is the commission amount for each person? Now for James, if I write the formula equal his sales multiplied by rate of commission. Okay, that is all fine. His commission is 34.44. Now what people do, they generally take this corner or drag it down. But what happens? For Suraj there is no commission, for Chris there is an error, and for Abdullah his commission is much more than his sales itself. Okay, and here nothing is there. So the reason here is that when I am trying to multiply these things, the Excel normally works in a relative manner. Relative referencing means the place where you are writing the formula, how far is this cell from the cells which are being used in the formula. Like B6, B6 is 1 on the left side. C3 is 3 cells above. Okay. So what is happening when you drag it down, everything moves in a relative manner. So here it was B6, so it has moved by 1. So for this cell, B7 is still 1 cell on the left side, and C4, that is 3 cell above, and that is why this is blank and you are getting 0 commission. Now in this case what is happening, it has moved further by 1 more row, and that's where you are getting text. So text multiplied by a number doesn't give you anything, and that is why it is an error. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to fix something. Okay, look at the formula. There are two parts in the formula. One is B6 and other one is C3. Now you need to think which one will move and which one you don't want to move. When I write the formula for Suraj, what will be the formula? B7 multiplied by C3. So C3 should not move, but B6 should become B7 and B8, B9, like that. So something which we want to move, there we don't need dollars. But something which we want to fix, there you need dollars. And to add dollars, press F4 key. Okay, so F4 key can bring dollars in both the components of the cell name, the column as well as the row part. Okay, and if you press this F4 key multiple times, it will give you different variety of dollars. First time, column as well as row number will get dollars. Second time, only row number will have dollars. Third time, only column will have. And fourth time, it will not have any dollars. So F4 pressing it multiple times can give you all the variations you would need. What I need is, I need dollars with C3. So you press F4 key and you will have dollars. Now when I press enter and drag it down, my formula is working fine. Because here the sales has moved, but the commission rate is still coming from the same place. Because dollars are there, that means it will not move. Now let us work on this classic example, which is coming from our elementary school. And here what we need is, we need multiplication of these numbers with these numbers in different cells. So like here 2 multiplied by 2. Here we need 3 multiplied by 2. Here we would need 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, so it is a simple matrix of multiplication of these numbers. Now, so here if I write A2 multiplied by B1, and when I drag it down or to our right side, you can see the numbers are exponentially large. Okay, so only first cell is correct, all others are wrong. And let us fix them using our dollar system. So here in this formula, what needs to be fixed? So simple logic is, wherever your data is there, those things needs to be fixed. Okay, like here B1, which is having this number. So here it will be C1. For this it will be D1, E1. So what is common between them? Row number 1. So row number 1 needs to be fixed. So I will put dollars, but not like this, because column B is fixed. I will put only for 1, because 1 is having my data. Similarly for this component, what is common? So A2 A3, A4, A5. All of them will be used in different places, but A is common. So my dollar should be only for A. And when I press enter, now if you drag it down and drag it toward right side, your numbers are correct. Just check any one of them manually. So this should be 4 multiplied by 3, and that's 12. So this is known as mixed referencing, where you are using certain component which is relative, other component is absolute. Once you understand this concept of absolute reference and relative reference, it will be easier to write the formulas. You don't need to repeat yourself in similar formula. Hope you found it useful. Please like the video, share it with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get regular updates on upcoming videos. Keep watching, keep learning.